Project is an ad campaign for the dating app Perfect Match, and the team was Jihoon, Karina, Michelle, and Shalin. And our concept is a cross-platform ad campaign intended for people in their mid to late 20s, early 30s who are looking for long-term serious love connections. The goal of our project was to use narrative to highlight missed opportunities in regards to love connections and to highlight how your potential soulmate might be right there waiting for you, but you've just passed by them in real life. The deliverables that we created for this project are a mobile dating app, an advertising video that could be adapted from a 90-second format to a 10-second format for promotion on social media. And we also built out marketing materials to show how some of the potential touch points in which our target audience might encounter this ad campaign. And I'll play our video. Okay, and then we also created other marketing materials. So since this app is intended for a working professional who probably lives in the city, they're likely to use transit. We created a mock-up of a poster in the transit, and this is some potential ways that our audience might encounter this ad campaign when they're going to and from work. This is a vertical format example, but we also made some horizontal example format in the city that our audience might pass by. And then we created some more bus stop advertising. There could be a whole series of posters that show the similarities in actions between the two people, but they're facing away from each other. And this kind of highlights how these individuals are potential soulmates, but they're so close to each other, but they haven't yet met yet. And it's intended to make the audience think, this could be me. We also created some social media advertising, so this could be on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And we know that our audience is constantly using tech and their phones. They've probably used dating apps before. So we create targeted advertising for our targeted demographic. And then finally, we created this we actually created the dating app, and we focused on the long-term connection that we're going to provide for our audience. And so we used more text, more about descriptions about the people on the app with less focus on photos and quick matches. And you can download our app on ProtoPie.